Everybody, 8:12, you have 10 minutes to ask questions. What's 8:22 here? With all due respect, it doesn't matter who asks the question, it's the last question we have to go, okay? We have other obligations we have to attend to, all right? Respect the 10 minutes, please. The whole thing I learned from here is like to stay patient. You know, it was my moment, it was my time. You know, I had all the eyes and attention on me. Hard for the better. You know, when you're fighting against other sports, you know, boxing is not always the most popular sport. So when you get that moment in time, you get that all out on you. You know, I wanted to do something that I always do. You know, Breazeale and knock them out. And I rush it. When I rush it, I know I don't get the job done. Like I told Freeman, we have to be perfect for 12 to 6 minutes. I don't have to be perfect for 2 seconds. And I anticipate that. Well, you know, I got a call. You know, HBO was doing it, and they asked me would I be a part of it, and you know, it was an honor for me because Muhammad Ali is one of my favorites, my idol. You know, so I was very honored to be able to be a part of that piece, in which I'm very passionate about what I say. I'm very passionate about what I do. So my passion about Muhammad Ali came out on the video, which turned out to be one of the best that they had. Yeah, at the bottom. You don't belong in the ring with me. You don't belong in the ring with no athlete. You need athlete. When you got in the ring with one athlete, you got knocked out. He's going to do the same on Saturday night. He's knocked out, but it's going to be in a dramatic fashion.
You know, so will that end this chapter once and for all?
No, it don't frustrate me at all. You know, especially with Fury. I understand. I gave Fury a concussion, and I made him lose a loss of memory. You know, if he felt like he beat me at a wild margin, it's easy. Why not rematch? But when you know you've been having, when you had a concussion and you lost a memory, he didn't even know how he got on the ground, nor did he got up. And that's bad for your health. So I understand him moving. With Joshua, I tried to fight him 5 times. Now that he has no option, he has nowhere to go. All of a sudden, it's smoke and mirrors. You know, but the thing about it, all parties are still talking, and the fight will happen. I just ask the fans to have patience, and with patience come time. We'll see. All the big fights happen in silence. Once they get amongst the media and everybody has an opinion to win. And this thing about patience, nobody wants to wait. Big fights that happen when it goes in silence and all the parties come together. And when it happens, you guys will know.
You got the Breazeale chapter once and for all Saturday and put this behind you.
What's that?
Put this Breazeale chapter behind you.
I can't wait. Like I said, he's like a fly in my ear. I can't wait. I'm gonna get him out of there. It's gonna be in a dramatic fashion, in a fashion no one has ever seen. His life is on the line for this fight, and I do mean his life.
You still trying to get that body on your record?
Still trying to get me a body on my record.
What's some of the favorite hip-hop artists you like to listen to when you're training? Hip-hop artists?
I like reggae, all types of reggae when I'm training, because reggae allows you to move. And in boxing, you need the movement, you need the agility, you know, the free work. I love this, and I put my radio station Pandora on Bob Marley. I just let it go.
Jay, while you're here in Brooklyn, and Barclays said just let your home away from home now. What do you think about the reception, and what do you think about fighting here?
Man, I enjoy coming to Brooklyn, you know. They said, the people said they've adopted me. So when I come here, my actor's name is the Bronx Bomber, but they say I'm the Bronx Bomber. So I welcome it with open arms. Look, I done had some of my most dramatic knockouts here, right here at Barclays, at the Barclays Center here in Brooklyn. So I'm looking forward to adding that more to my resume on Saturday night.
How big it is to get that Joshua fight here?
I mean, when it comes, it comes. You know, I want to get them both out of the way, so whatever order it comes. I'm sure you guys will be happy. ABAC, I'm not going to be disappointed. I'm not in a contest with none of these guys. You know, as long as I get the job, complete the task, complete the mission, and get the job done, I'm satisfied with that.
I didn't hear another Joshua just said that with this fight, that you have very, very fast hands, and usually before the good fight, you don't need to compliment each other. What do you say to that remark?
I mean, I appreciate it. You know, it takes a great person to you know, compliment another one. You know, to show them where the sport is going and the growth in fighters. You know, because everybody wants to be the man. Everybody wants to be the most famous, the most popular and stuff. And when you get another one compliment, they'll let you know that they're growing in the sport.
Yeah, so what would it take for you to come back to Vegas to fight?
What's that?
What would it take for you to go back to Vegas to fight?
I mean, just the right time in the right place. You know what I mean? You know, it's a lot of places that need to be tested in boxing. We're trying to make boxing grow all over the world, not just in the regular places that it usually garment. Here in Brooklyn, in Vegas, you know, in LA. You know, we done in LA, hasn't been done in a long time. So we're looking to make we're looking to hit other states as well too.
Would you come out to Cowboy Stadium? I saw you when we talked for
Cowboy
the
Stadium
Earls
is on the
fight.
radio as well too.
Yeah, they talk about boxing like this, how impactful is that for you to come and
I mean, it's very powerful. You know, when I speak to the kids, you know, they always, when I came up, they said we're the future. And, you know, they're the future as well, too. So if I can influence, if I can motivate a child to let them know that, hey, that's a possibility. Your words are powerful. Your mind is powerful. You speak and believe, receive it. The magic in the speak and believe, receive is the belief. If we don't believe we're going to go nowhere, we won't. We'll be a fictitious society. We'll believe our peers, what they're saying. Sometimes you have to separate yourself and have a strong mindset to say, I am going to do this. I shall. It's in the speaking that we speak. We have to speak in the present tense that it shall come to us, and we have to believe. Without belief, there's no faith. Without belief, there's no tomorrow. Without belief, we can't be great. We all have greatness in us, but greatness is only determined by service. So apply your service, and you shall see the greatness up out of yourself as well.
Deontay, when you see yourself as pound for pound?
Hey, Dominique Breazeale asked for this. I didn't go seek him, he seeked me. So if it comes, it comes. This is a brutal sport. This is not a gentleman's sport. I keep saying this is not a gentleman's sport. We don't ask to hit each other in the face, but we does anyway. And you can ask any doctor around the world, he'll tell you the head is not meant to be hit. Anybody can go. And on this particular time, we have bad blood against each other. This is the only sport where you can kill a man and get paid for it at the same time. It's legal. So why not use my right to do so?
Deontay,
So this day became a phrase for people in the movement. What do you feel like you're a spokesperson now?
I'm just a person that's passionate about what I say. I'm passionate about what I do, you know, and that's it. A lot of people feel what I say. I'm the realest champion in the business. I keep it real with people as I want them to keep it real with me, and people clings to me on that, you know. I show love everywhere I go as I want them to show love to me. I'm a type of champion. I'm not bigger than no one, even no one in this room. Everyone sees me and put me on a platform, but I'm just me. I'm just Deontay, and that's how I want to be treated. As I treat everyone else. Love is the key to the world. Love is the key to ending everything around us. If we show more love amongst ourselves, we'll see a better tomorrow. We'll see a better us. We're the strongest. We're strong people. We're all are strong people. Why is it so hard for us to love each other? It's not a hard thing. If we can invent technologies, the things to do things in a quicker or faster time, why can't we come together and stop the things that's going on, racism? We created it, we can end it. It's all about love, baby.
Deontay, where you see yourself as a on the pound for pound list?
What's that?
Where you see yourself on the pound for pound list? Because they don't throw your name on there.
I don't keep up with pound for pound lists. I don't really care about it.
What you care about?
You know, I don't care about pound for pound lists. You know, I let those, you know, those that care about it. I think that's a question for someone else, because I don't keep up with it at all. I don't care about that. You know, I just care about building my legacy and doing what I'm doing. I'm building for generation wealth. There will be one champion, one face, one name. And looking at them.
How big it is to be a role model to others in this business, to be a businessman, not just a fighter? Because you see they took that to another level.
Most definitely. That's why I'm betting on myself. Like I said, if I want generation wealth, I must take my career in my hand. I must do what's right. I don't want people to dictate my career. I dictate that, whether I go in the ring. I'm the talent. I'm the fighter. So with that being said, when you have the talent and you know you have that talent to move to the next level, why not take control of yourself? Sometimes it can get scary because you don't have no direction. But I have a great team behind me, and they know what I'm looking for, and they're gonna get me all the way to the top. And I'm gonna be that living witness to show people that you can take control of your career, and you can take yourself to the top, and not let these promoters and managers make all this type of money off.
Is that why you said no to the zone?
Risk your life in the ring.
Is that why you said no to the zone?
Last question.
Being a heavyweight champion in America was the biggest thing in the sport. We feel like you're getting that respect from the American public, and we think it's coming in time.
All things come in time, you know what I mean? Like I said, at the right time, at the right place. I think my career has bloomed at the right time and the right place. It took me 11 years to get here, but I've been marinated. Everyone can't be an overnight success. Everyone can't win a title at 19. Everyone can't be this big famous person. Look, I'm me. I'm a homebody. Everywhere I go, I have homes all over different states, and I'm at home. I'm a homebody, so I don't care about who knows me or what. All I care about is them kids. I have 7 children that I love dearly. And like I said, I'm building generational wealth. My father wasn't able to do it for me, nor his father was able to do it for him. But I can break the chain for mine, and I will. And that's all I care about. I don't care who knows me. You can ask the most famous person in the world, is it a blessing or a curse? And I guarantee you, tell it's a curse because they can't move, they can't go nowhere. Because people put people on high pedestals. If God came down right now, people wouldn't know what to do. But if someone touched someone like Michael Jackson here, they'll cry, fall down to their knees. And it should be that way around. It should be the opposite way around. So I don't care about who knows me or not. As long as I come to my goals and dreams, and when I die, my kids will be proud of me. That's all I care about.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.
Beautiful picture. Beautiful baby. Yes, indeed. What? You can't sign on his face? Man.
That's like a $3 million hit. You know we got that traffic. I've been trying to catch you.
My man, blessings. Yes, indeed. Let's make it happen.
All right, thank you. Does anybody get it?
I already got a sweatshirt out.
Okay. You ready? Do it.
I can get the water right there. Yeah,
I
appreciate
My
it.
man.
I'm gonna take care of that.
Yes, indeed. Thank you so much. Amen, bro. My man, blessings. My man, blessings. What's going on? You doing okay? Yeah, nice. All right. Thank you so much. Let's go. I'm good. Thank you so much.
Oh, wow!
Hey. What's going on, bro? Blessings, brother. What's going on, family? You doing okay? My man, blessings. Walk with me.
Hey, Deontay, we still play Mortal Kombat outside?
What's going on?
I haven't played in a while.
No worries. After the fight, KSN,
Let's get it in.
If you enjoyed the video, feel free to hit the like, subscribe, and share. As always, if you want to support us to the next level, head over to the patreon.com/ThaBoxingVoice. We have tons of exclusive from Border Wars, Entitled, betting shows, the list goes on and on and on. But in addition to that, if you guys have questions for fighters, trainers, and promoters, this is where you can submit them. We will run out, get these questions answered, and put it back on the show just for you guys. Appreciate it. Peace.